I really don't know why people don't mention these things in their reviews, to be honest. Hello, you guys. Welcome to another review video. For the people who are new here, my name is Ishmeet Kaur and I am a pro makeup artist. Now, in today's video, we will be reviewing this very famous Urban Yo hair removal cream spray. Yeah, I dropped the cap. This product claims that it removes hair instantly, heat and skin, does not leave bad odor. It even has aloe vera extract and tulip extract. Now, I will be sharing my personal experience with you guys. Let's talk about the packaging. It's a very DIY packaging. It's very lightweight. You can just dump it into your bag or travel bag and just carry it along. Um, it comes in this spray dispenser, which is very easy to use. It's basically like a deo. It comes out also, and it makes that spraying sound like a deo. When you first spray it, it turns a little bit frosty, and it takes up to 3 to 4 minutes to dry down. Now, if you are a girl using this, then you need to just keep it for 3 to 4, max 5 minutes. But if you are a man or if you have like a way heavier growth, then you need to leave it on for like 10 to 12 minutes. So in this clip that I'll be showing you, my brother was my guinea pig. I had to try it on him first, and for him, you had to leave it on for like at least 10 to 12 minutes for the cream, for the cream to get dissolved and work its magic. Guys, one more thing, it smells like weed. I mean, and I hate that smell. Like, I've hated weed for some reason because it's never worked on me, and people have like given such good reviews about weed and they're like, no, use that. And I'm like, no, I've kept it for so many minutes, and when I scrape it off with weed, nothing used to happen. And this product smells like weed, and it does a much better job than weed, at least for me. Now, coming to the performance of this product, it does what it claims. It removes the hair effortlessly and painlessly. I would not use this on a daily basis. I would use it only when there is an absolute emergency. I don't have time to go to the salon and I really need to wear a dress, or you get the drill. You are a girl, you know when it is an emergency and you don't have time to go to a salon, so you need something. It is basically a glorified razor because it even this does not remove the hair from the roots, and when you spray and you remove it, you can see how it cuts the hair from between. So I noticed that my growth came back like within a week or something, and with waxing it takes at least like 25 odd days to come back. So hence I would not use this on a daily basis for sure. You can just instead have a razor lying around, right? That's more cheaper. This you get 200 ml of product for I think around some 500 or 600 bucks. Also, one more thing I noticed which I want to share with you, I had used this on my underarms and I did feel a slight discomfort, my skin slightly turning red. So if you have sensitive skin, please do a patch test before you use it. Also, avoid using it before going into chlorine water. uh, okay, in my experience, I like last weekend I had to go for a friend's birthday and she had booked a villa with the pool and all, and I did not get time to wax. I said, okay, let's try this and jump into the pool. I did notice a little bit of irritation, nothing major, but a little bit was there. So people with sensitive skin, watch out, guys. Alright, you guys, we reached the end of this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed this review. If you have any further questions, don't forget to write it in the comment section below and I will get back to you. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and come back for the next product review.